Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because today we're diving into one of the most luxurious and refined sedans of the year, the 2025 Genesis G90. This flagship model from Genesis is more than just a car, it's a statement of sophistication, innovation, and quiet power. Whether you're a longtime luxury car enthusiast or someone considering a high-end sedan for the first time, the G90 demands attention. Let's explore exactly why. At first glance, the 2025 Genesis G90 makes a bold impression. The exterior design continues the brand's signature athletic elegance philosophy, but with even more maturity and confidence. From the crest grille to the split LED headlights and sharp character lines, everything about the G90's design exudes presence without being shouty. It's refined rather than flashy, which is exactly what luxury should be. The long wheelbase and low stance give it a commanding road presence, while the minimalistic rear end with sleek horizontal taillights keeps things clean and modern. The available 20-inch wheels and subtle chrome accents only add to its upscale persona. Under the hood, the 2025 G90 comes standard with a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 engine producing 375 horsepower and 391 pound-feet of torque. For those looking for an even smoother and more powerful ride, there's also a mild hybrid version of the same engine that adds an electric supercharger, boosting total output to 409 horsepower. Both versions are mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission that delivers seamless gear changes. Whether you're gliding through city traffic or cruising on the highway, the power delivery feels effortless. Genesis has also fine-tuned the suspension for maximum comfort, offering an adaptive air suspension system that reads the road in real time and adjusts accordingly to provide a cloud-like ride. It's luxury motoring at its finest. But the true highlight of the G90 is found inside. The cabin is a masterclass in design, craftsmanship, and comfort. As soon as you step in, you're greeted with a sense of calm and exclusivity. Genesis has used only the highest quality materials, Napa leather, open-pore wood, real metal trims, and every surface feels thoughtfully curated. The dashboard is clean and uncluttered, with a wide 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster seamlessly blending into a matching 12.3-inch infotainment display. The software is intuitive, responsive, and includes everything from Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to navigation and voice commands. The rotary gear selector and haptic climate controls add to the sleek aesthetic. Rear passengers are in for a real treat. The extended wheelbase ensures limo-like legroom, and the executive rear seat package turns the G90 into a first-class experience. This includes fully reclining rear seats with massage functions, individual climate controls, rear entertainment screens, and even a fragrance system that diffuses subtle scents into the cabin. Acoustic glass and active noise cancellation make the interior whisper quiet, even at highway speeds. There's even a mood curator system that adjusts lighting, sound, and scent to match your desired vibe. It's not just transportation, it's a sanctuary on wheels. Technology and safety have also been taken to new heights. The G90 is equipped with the latest version of Genesis Highway Driving Assist, offering Level 2 semi-autonomous driving on mapped highways. You also get a full suite of advanced safety features including forward collision avoidance, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, rear cross-traffic alert, and a 360-degree camera system. One of the most impressive features is Remote Smart Parking Assist, which allows you to move the car in and out of tight spots using just your key fob or smartphone. It's the kind of innovation that makes everyday life just a little more luxurious. In terms of audio, Genesis has partnered with Bang & Olufsen to deliver an elite 26-speaker 3D sound system that offers truly immersive sound quality. Whether you're listening to classical music or your favorite podcast, it's like having a concert hall on wheels. There's also an onboard air purifier system, soft close doors, and an optional rear refrigerator. Yes, you heard that right, a refrigerator in the back seat. Every detail has been considered to make this car feel more like a moving luxury suite than a traditional sedan. Pricing for the 2025 Genesis G90 starts around $89,000 and can climb to around $100,000 fully loaded. While that might sound steep, when you compare it to rivals like the BMW 7 Series, Mercedes S-Class, or Audi A8, the G90 actually presents a strong value. You're getting comparable, and in some cases superior, features and build quality at a lower price point, all while standing out in a crowd of traditional European nameplates. So, who is the 2025 Genesis G90 for? It's for those who value understated elegance, cutting-edge technology, and a truly serene driving experience. It's not about showing off, it's about appreciating craftsmanship and comfort without compromise. The G90 isn't trying to be something it's not. It's confidently and unapologetically luxurious in its own unique way. That's it for today's review of the 2025 Genesis G90. Let us know in the comments what you think about this refined luxury flagship. Would you take this over a German alternative? And if you've driven a Genesis before, share your experience with us. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time with more automotive insights and reviews. Thanks for watching, and as always, we'll see you in the next ride. Please like, share, and subscribe to Auto Future Insights.